Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Transcendent donuts. First, always choose the best ingredients. They are the foundation of incredible flavor and texture. Next, focus on your dough. Proper hydration and kneading are crucial for that perfect, airy elasticity. Finally, mastering your frying temperature ensures a beautiful golden crust every time. These steps are key to donut perfection. Let's dive into the dough. Start by combining your dry and wet ingredients to create a vibrant, active starter. Then, knead the dough patiently until it becomes wonderfully smooth and elastic. This usually takes around 10 minutes. Finally, give your dough ample time to proof in a cozy, warm spot until it has beautifully doubled in size. If you're enjoying these tips, please hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious content. And speaking of keeping things tidy after all that baking, let the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum handle the cleanup. It's voice-controlled and self-emptying, perfect for a spotless kitchen. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now for the magic. Heat your oil precisely to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is vital for even cooking. Carefully place your donuts in the hot oil, frying them for about 1 to 2 minutes per side until they achieve a gorgeous golden brown. Finally, glaze those warm donuts right away for maximum absorption and that irresistible, glossy finish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.